What's up? So since it's basically my last day in Japan, I decided why not film a video where I just show you guys everything I got from Japan. So basically like a Japan pickup video, you know what I'm saying, if there's still any Hypebeast viewers on this channel. But yeah, I actually got so much stuff that I actually had to get a duffel bag to put more stuff in because everything is not gonna fit in the suitcase. Okay guys, first thing, I want to show you guys this. I actually won like a crane game kind of thing. So yeah, I at least won once, which I'm really stoked about because the whole time I just wanted to win a crane game once while I'm out in Japan. So if that didn't count, then whatever. Yeah, I don't really know JoJo's Bizarre Adventure, so I'm kind of like whatever's about this, but I'm stoked because I won the game and got this, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I probably spent more on the game than how much this actually cost, but it's probably worth something in America. So yeah, this is my first pickup, which was the crane game. You guys probably already saw this in my first video. This is the Doraemon Murakami collab, sold out in America, so I had to cop this one in Japan. This one, I don't know, there's just something about striped t-shirts that I like and embroidery. Like I love embroidered striped t-shirts, and it's a Mickey shirt. This is a bag. There's a bunch of Uniqlos out here. I went to the biggest one, which had like 11 stores, I'm pretty sure, in Ginza. That was epic. And Uniqlo also had a collab with Jump, and this is like my favorite anime. This anime hypes me up to just skate or do anything in general because it's like motivational, which is called Haikyuu. Now that I look at it, there's a chance I might not wear it, but I had to get it just because out here it's only $9 still. Oh, you know I had to get this one. The sizes are a little off in Japan, so I'm not too sure if this will fit me, but this is the Naruto t-shirt with the 4th Hokage on the back. I'd prefer to have it just like this, but you know, it's all good, $9 or whatever. Guys, these were like a steal. Yeah, you guys already saw that I bought this thing. Nami, fire ass character. I honestly do kind of feel stupid for buying this, but luckily I found one for $65, and it's all because I lost rock paper scissors, so I told myself I'll buy it. And since I'm in Japan, so F it, you know what I'm saying? But there are some stores that are selling it for near $700. I feel like I just got so obsessed with Nami in Japan. I have no clue what this is. This isn't for me, but I guess I'll show you guys. I got my brother this Gundam mini toy thing. Gundam's tight, I back it. We used to watch it all the time. Oh yeah, I'm so glad I got this. Look at this, it's Pikachu on a skateboard, but it looks sad, so that's the only downside. And then I got my brother Ace. Look at that, fire. No pun intended, you know what I'm saying? I mean, some of the stores had them really cheap, so that was really tight. I also got my brother a Groudon figure. This one was $1, so that's pretty cool. I got a $1 Nami keychain, and then another one. This was $5, anime waifu. This is gonna suck taking out. It's so crazy, like in Japan, I appreciate the bagging, but they overdo it with the taping. It's a bag, and then they tape it within a bag, and then more bags. Oh, and then another bag. But it's cool because they're trying to keep the items really clean. Look at this. Kisame. Oh, freaking Samehara and stuff, you know what I'm saying? This one is dope. When I'm in the States, I would never buy this stuff. Like, it just seems so pointless to me, you know? And it kind of is, but it's like a cool thing to collect. But I don't know, there's something about being in Japan, you're just like, dude, I need to get it. And that's what happened with the Nami. And then, you know, with Kisame, I had to get the Itachi doing the Susanoo. Damn. Yeah, and the Itachis, Hinatas, and Kakashis are so damn expensive out in Japan. Same with Nami. Nami is like so valuable out here, it's crazy. So like, I'm glad I found that one. It's weird because it's like not even open, but it's like considered used in Japan, so like it was cheaper. Because they bought it resale, so that's considered used, I guess, which is really interesting. Oh, I totally forgot that I got Naruto. I'm so glad I got a Naruto because I had to get at least one thing that's from Naruto because you guys already know Naruto is like life. You guys already know, day in the life Naruto.
What is it? Suspense. You come in with a little bit more passion.
More passion?
Got it. Yeah.
Alright, chocolate with more suspense. And I even like when Naruto talked. I cosplayed Naruto out here. Yeah, shout out to Jiraiya. Rest in peace. Hope you guys are stoked on like seeing this kind of stuff. I don't know, I haven't really done this in a while. Guys, I came up so hard yesterday. Yeah, I just bought so much anime stuff. You know, I got Whitebeard for my brother. Look at that. Detail is crazy. And you know, if I get Nami, I obviously gotta get Luffy. It makes me look like a hentai or something, you know what I'm saying? You know, he's using Haki, Luffy, my man. And then, guys, look at this. $5 for this Usopp package. There's 7 or 8 Usopp figures in here, and about 1 or 2 of them are keychains. Oh my god, yes. Usopp's not even like a favorite character of mine, but like, it was $5. Oh, I'm gonna open this one in front of you guys. Sword Art Online was an anime I used to like a lot, and I guess they started Gun-Gale Online, but I kind of wanted to put stickers on my board, so let's see what stickers I got. I really hope I got Asuna because like, she's kind of anime wife as well. Yui, man. Oh, dude, yes, I got Asuna. Woo! Did I get Kirito too? Oh my gosh, this one is badass. And it's like a nice material too for $2. I wish I got like 3 more. Oh my god, this one is sick. Look at that. There's Kirito, Asuna, and I think her name was Leafy. But yeah, this one is freaking dope. She's a hot anime character, not gonna lie. Oh yeah, and then I guess this was shown. I got this Nami one too. This one was steel too. I guess I have 2 now. But the other one is just like, it looks so good because it looks so realistic. Like to the anime compared to the other ones. I'm really stoked on the stickers though. $2. That's a huge steal. Oh, and it comes with the gum? Hell yeah. The gum sucks. Oh my god, this is like crazy. I'm not gonna open these. I want to keep these as mint condition as possible. I got a Thrasher shoulder bag. These are all like Thrasher Japan stuff, so you can't get them in America. Yeah, I was trying to cop another one to maybe resell, but I'm kind of over reselling at the moment. I want a Bakugo. It's either gonna be from me or from my brother, whoever wants it. If you guys don't know, I'm really into art, and Keith Haring is one of my favorite artists. And again, I'm not gonna open the package, but it's got his logo across the side. You guys might know him from like past Alien Workshop board graphics. And then on the back, it says Thrasher magazine across, which is super dope. And it's cool because like they just have a whole bunch in the back, and they just have like a display. They just give you a new one from the back. This one, I'm not too sure if it really is from Japan, but looks like it is. It's a white and green shirt, some dude on a skateboard, and then it has this Thrasher logo right there. This one is a clean, nice shirt in my opinion. I bought a lot at the moment, so I might resell these to be honest. I really like this one. Never sell out, never surrender. But yeah, this one is super dope. I have so much Keith Haring stuff because I love him, so that's why I'm thinking about reselling some of this stuff. But the guy holding a skateboard, super dope graphic. I don't know why, but Snoopy is really popular out here, and Minions, so it's got the American design Snoopy on a skateboard. And they have a lot of designs of Snoopy on a board. So super stoked on that. And then, yeah, I just bought so much bags, man. This is from Pokemon. Look at the bag. It's just so extra, you know? Like, it's tight. And then they even got the Pokemon sticker. And shout out to my grandma for buying me these, by the way. I was like debating. She really wanted to buy me something, so I'm just like, alright, I got more shoulder bags. Look at that Charmander. Flames. And we got Sleeping Snorlax. You know, we got the same eyes, you know what I'm saying? Well, my camera died on me. These are the boards I got. Packaging is crazy out in Japan, like I said. Imagine if skate shops in America gave you boards like this. Like, I bought a lot of things that I would never get in America, and yeah, I think I might sell some stuff just because I kind of want some money back. And you know, I bought a ticket 3 times for this trip just to prolong it. But boom! You guys already know, Premier is my favorite board company. Maybe if some other company wants to hook me up one day, maybe it'll change. This one is like a Japan exclusive collab with Murasaki Sports, so I had to get it. Normally I wouldn't get it, but she's hot AF too, you know what I'm saying? And you guys already know, my favorite shoe are the Janoskis, so I had to get this board. This was on sale too, but still $70 for a board. That's not something I'd pay for, but since I was in Japan, I was down. And the other board was like 110, which is like a normal price out in Japan, which is crazy. These are all just like wall boards. The boards won't be for sale. The Thrasher stuff I might sell. Another also crazy thing is where they sell all this Thrasher stuff. They even had Thrasher shoes, which is the craziest thing I've ever seen. Like, I was about to buy some, but I just thought I'd feel weird if I was wearing Thrasher shoes instead of Nike, because I kind of have that weird thought of just like, oh, I'm wearing a different shoe brand, and I can't stop thinking about it. Crazy thought, but yeah, I hope you guys liked that pickup video.